Introducing the 2004 Mini Cooper S. This two-door, four-passenger hatchback provides exceptional value. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.